This is a 2012 Ford Kuga 2-litre diesel. It's the titanium model, so it's got a handful of extras, and it's the, I think, 173 brake horsepower, so it's nice and peppy. This one is a category N from the insurance company. You probably noticed by there's no number plate at the front. It's had a bump at the front. I'm going to walk around the car so you can see any other damage on it. But it is nice and clean. There's no damage down that side at all. In fact, it's got, even though they're a bit grubby, the tyres, they look pretty much new tyres, and the alloy wheels look untouched as well. So no damage down that side, all to the front, all the top, and down this side is the same as well. Nice and straight and clean. Let's do the inside while we're here. It's got the half leather seats in it. It needs a bit of a clean inside, but there's no damage on it at all. And it's got electric mirrors, it's got electric windows front and back, it's got cruise control, it's got daytime running lights, it's got hands-free kit with a half decent stereo, and it's got dual climate control, 6-speed, heated front screen, you can probably just see it through there, trip computer and other things like that. And the back, it's clean in the back, it's nice. I don't think many people have sat in the back there. And it's got this privacy glass as well, from factory. It's got parking sensors as well. It's got the split tailgate. There's a few scuffs around here, so someone's been loading bits and bobs in the back, but I guess most of that will polish off with a machine. So no damage around the back. If I pan out from an angle, it's a bit easier. So let's get round to the front and examine it. So this is category N for a cosmetic damage. They're bumped into the front and they've made it a bit messy, that's all. So no damage on here, like that. And it'll need a front bumper. If it was bits like that, we'll probably get away with it, but it's just made it a bit messy down here. So I'll need a front bumper, and it'll need the grille at the front because it's broken all this bit down here as well, and the little chromey bits that go around the outside. Let me just see if I can open this car. It's got the forward opening bit where you spin that around, you put it to the side, and you give it a second. If you forgive the car for a second, I mean the phone. So headlight tabs aren't damaged, and there isn't damaged either. And in fact, the front panel at all looks untouched. In fact, it's pretty clean. The cover's in the back, so it's a bit of a dead battery. So. Right, in short, these are about 9 grand. It's 51,000 miles, it's got full service history with it. I'm guessing when this is fixed, and it's an easy fix, it's a front bumper with a grille painted black. I might even find one black. This one's going to go up for about 6,995, and it'll be super cheap for that, for literally no damage done whatsoever.